Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Piper clearly wants to be friends, but Moose is skeptical. He makes her swear to be nice to Natalie from now on. Now that Piper has Moose's friendship, she pushes for his help with the laundry service. Moose seems reluctant, but when Piper shows him a flyer advertising Al Capone, he straight up backs out.
Let's help you make your mark.
She rounds up the group and they sail on the boat with her. Piper tries to get the woman's attention, but it doesn't work. Piper starts hanging out with Scout, Moose's friend. She promises to get him a convict's baseball, which sets Moose on the hunt to find one before she does.
Take our lead.
The warden wanted Matthew to help his daughter, Piper, by carrying her projects and whatnot to school. What was the special school project Piper asked Moose to help her with? She wanted him to help her sell the Alcatraz laundry service to kids at school, for 5 cents a shirt.
Take our lead.
Teresa's mother is in the hospital having her baby. Why does Moose agree to help Piper with her laundry scheme by talking to his classmates about Alcatraz? After Moose entertains his classmates with stories from Alcatraz, and Piper is able to convince Del to send a shirt, the laundry service is a success.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.